Our platform is divided into distinct role-based portals, which you can easily navigate using the blue bar at the top. Let's start with the Hub. This is your organization's central landing area, where all users can access company-wide news, important external links, and shared files. Next is the Learner portal. Designed as a distraction-free workspace, learners can track their progress directly on the dashboard. Using the left sidebar, they can easily explore new training, jump into their active courses, view assigned learning paths, and access community events. For educators, the Instructor portal provides the specialized tools needed to manage training. Without needing full admin access, instructors can oversee their assigned courses, track individual learner enrollments, manage live events, and respond to learner support tickets. The Group Lead portal is tailored for department managers and team supervisors. Here, you can use the drop-down menu to switch between your assigned teams, such as executive leadership, to seamlessly monitor group compliance, view your team directory, and track detailed enrollment statuses. As an administrator, the Admin portal is your main command center. To keep things organized, the left sidebar is divided into logical categories like learning, people, support, and configuration, giving you complete control over building courses and managing your organization's data. No matter which portal you are currently working in, your personal settings are always just a click away via the avatar menu in the top right. Here, you can update your profile, adjust accessibility preferences, or toggle the platform's appearance into dark mode. Finally, the Help menu at the bottom of the sidebar connects you directly to TechClass support. From here, you can quickly access our official documentation, request new features, or report a bug. If you need direct assistance, you can seamlessly book a call, write us an email, or check our Trust Center and real-time system status.